Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me REALME C30, and now I'm gonna show you how to install protective glass on this device. Firstly, you need to power off your phone. Then you need to wrap your screen. I suggest use just simple microfiber or I don't know, paper towel or microfiber especially for screen. Okay. When the screen is clean, you can start the installing protective glass process. Okay, cool. And now just remove protective foil and try to set up the protective glass. Okay, set up the top part of the glass, set it onto the camera, and wait. Cool, that's it. Now you just need to remove bubbles under the protective glass. So just wrap your protective glass and press on bubbles to remove it. Okay, cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.